here gotta get across. Whether you like it or not.
So we need to go through and get rid of and organize and just make this look a little bit nicer. I don't really want that to sit out all the time. And then we have lots of half-empty shampoo bottles and conditioner bottles that we need to condense down. And then all of this stuff, this is just random stuff in here, some old razors and things of that nature, and some soaps and things like that. And these need to be organized better and actually put inside the cabinet. And some bath bombs and just random things here. And then under the sink is a mess. We've just been shoving stuff everywhere, so these need to be organized better, and we just have stuff thrown everywhere, and it just needs to all be gone through, and we need to get rid of some of this stuff and put it in order just a little bit better.
I get around despite the loss. I'm over here, gotta get across. Whether you like it or not. There is a moment meant for us, and now you made it, but I already played this. Not interested. Open your eyes, let's get it done. Take my hand, just follow me. Shadowing me, I won.
Remember when you told me you believe in something.
Okay, so now that I've cleaned this out and wiped it down on the inside, I've got everything out, and I also got everything out of this that I had some things in, but it's all sitting here, so I'm going to go through it all now one by one and get rid of what I don't need anymore and move what doesn't need to be in here, throw away what should be thrown away, and just kind of organize it by what it is.
Feel that this is your beginning. Will colors fade, but it's okay. There is good in changes. Go run away, get it out of your system. Come back when you're older. Go find a place where you can't be the victim, and come back when you're older.
picture someone else but you. But then you kissed me, and now there's nothing else I wanna do. For the record, I never thought it would be you and me. You said tomorrow, let's see what happens, but it's
Okay, so I ended up putting just an extra toothpaste and a toothbrush here for extra storage, and feminine products here and here, and then this is just like lip balm and face wash here, and then some face lotion, some more face lotion here, stuff that we use pretty much every day, and then extra razors here. And then this is actually going to leave, but these are bracelets, but I went ahead and put them in a container. That way I don't just throw them somewhere else. And this is just a baby brush for my daughter. We don't actually use it that much anymore, but, and then that's the Clarisonic facial scrubber. And then I put all the hair ties. This is my daughter's hair bands that she uses, my youngest daughter. And then my older daughter and I use these, and then some hair clips. And then here we put like all the shaving cream, and I also have some eczema, the Aveeno baby eczema therapy, because we all have eczema really bad. And so this works. Let me turn it around so you can see. But anyways, this works really good. But I just put that in there, and then with my sunless tanner, some Nair and shaving cream. And then here's just some random things, but it's just stuff that we don't use every day. Like there's some witch hazel and some of my Victoria's Secret pink body lotion and body spray, and then some Secret body spray here, and extra soaps here. And then there wasn't really a container for this, so it fit here, so we just put the clippers here and a little air freshener. But that pretty much is it, except for I usually leave this sitting out, and I had it piled full of junk, so I emptied it and put extra toilet paper here. I'm not sure if I'm going to leave it here or put it in the cabinet, because it actually looks okay right here. So I think I'm just going to leave it right here in the corner beside the bathtub. But that's where everything sat, and then I had a container left over. But I'll probably just leave the bath bombs in this for now, and probably leave them out because I think they're cute anyways, and this wire basket's not bad looking. So I'll probably just put it right there and leave it out with that. But anyways, let's go ahead and start putting the stuff back in the cabinet.
There's no use in looking back. Gotta laugh or gotta live, 'cause I'm so over the past, and I'm living it fast. Underneath the strobe lights, ready for a crazy night, I can hear your heartbeat banging loud like a drum. Let me be your only one. Do you feel what I feel? I'm addicted to that sound. Turn it loud, just make it play. When the love is all around, dream away with the music. Flying higher than the stars, we'll be dancing till the dawn. The night is young, so are we. So close your eyes and set it free. Underneath the strobe lights, ready for a crazy night, I can hear your heartbeat banging loud like a drum. Let me be your only one. Do of the way I live, but it's a 24-karat dream. No supermodel in my dirty jeans, but in my 24 inches heels. I am not pretending, I'm born like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. 'Cause boy, it's none of your business if I'm a mad woman. It's a 24-hour streak, wasting all your thoughts just to criticize, but there are plenty more ways to think. I am not pretending, I'm born like this, a game for the reckless. It's so extreme and I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. No, I don't really care, I don't really care, yeah. They're calling me a mad woman, mad woman, mad woman. Calling me a mad woman, mad woman. No, I don't really